Hello there, my name is Murphy Isiri Mamizi. I'm a technology and marketing consultant. I've been invited here by Instinct Hub to talk about something you may know or have an idea kind of, and it's called WordPress technology. To many of you out there who already have an idea about WordPress or have heard about WordPress or probably want to give up on WordPress, this might be the game changer. Now, what is WordPress? WordPress is just a simple website builder. So the much you know about other platforms is a content management site software where you can use to build websites. And the good part of it is that it's an open source. It's owned by nobody. In fact, over 29% of web users, they use WordPress currently. The likes of Jay-Z, Beyonce, even Bloomberg and Vogue, they use WordPress. WordPress is so much a thing out there. And you might want to ask, okay, how do I go about WordPress? Probably you are interested to know about WordPress. Simple and easy to go. WordPress works in a way, it's like an ecosystem of themes and plugins. So just first and foremost, have an idea of what you want to do. Be creative about your design, then go look for the theme. The theme is like the skin which people see, all right? So be creative about the idea, look for a suitable skin, a theme, and use plugins and add-ons to push the functionality of the website. So it is so simple, yet you need to be very creative about it. Now the question again is that what technology drives WordPress? Simple PHP, simple HTML, simple CSS. The hypertext markup language, the cascading style sheet, and the PHP. Once you have that foundation, then trust me, you can do wonders with WordPress. You understand? So now the beauty about WordPress again is that it is on high market demand. Many, both international and local industry and market, they're looking for WordPress skilled people. As in fact, you can use to build financial institutions, use to build financial websites, you use to build all kind of website. The good again thing about WordPress that you might not even know today is that WordPress has thousands of themes and plugins. In fact, if you add other ones that you know, like other ones like the Wix, the Joomla, all together, you might not even get to do that. So you can play around WordPress today, you want to try today, and you can even host it normally. You can even have your www.yourcustomname.com, .biz, whatever you want to have. WordPress can sit on the site for you and it can come out wonderfully well. As a matter of fact, you can even integrate a payment solution into it. So if you want to try this today, you can just give it a shot. The most important thing is that if you're interested to know about WordPress, Instinct Hub is set and ready to receive you and make you probably one of the best WordPress developers in the world. You can leave a message on the comment section and we will reach out to you soon.